Welcome to the captivating world of embroidery, where the melding of fabric, color, and creativity results in beautiful designs and patterns. For over a century, Husqvarna Viking has been a pioneering name synonymous with exceptional sewing and embroidery machines. Their legacy spans an impressive 140 years, showcasing a commitment to innovation and quality in the textile industry. Let's take a closer look at a significant milestone in their history. In the dawn of the 1990s, Husqvarna Viking revolutionized the embroidery landscape with the introduction of their groundbreaking Designer 1 embroidery machine. This remarkable invention dramatically transformed the way embroidery was done, streamlining the process and empowering embroiderers to achieve new levels of complexity in their designs. With this game-changing embroidery machine came the launch of an exclusive embroidery format, the HUS file format. Specifically engineered for their state-of-the-art embroidery machines, the HUS format was designed to optimize the performance and capabilities of Husqvarna Viking products. However, it's worth noting that this format was not designed to be compatible with other brands of embroidery machines. The HUS file format stands out due to its proprietary nature. This means that it is a unique creation of Husqvarna Viking, crafted to work seamlessly with their embroidery machines and not readily available for use with other brands. Its sophisticated binary file structure is integral to its efficiency, granting it superior read and write speeds when compared to other embroidery formats that rely on a text-based file structure. One of the shining advantages of the HUS file format is its remarkable capacity for design information storage. It can house up to an astonishing 16 million stitches. This vast storage room enables embroiderers to bring even the most intricate and elaborate designs to life without a hitch. Furthermore, the HUS file format boasts support for advanced embroidery features. Embroiderers can utilize multiple thread colors and execute layering in their designs, thereby enhancing the level of detail and complexity possible. These advanced features set the stage for creating truly stunning and sophisticated embroidery pieces. Despite its plethora of benefits, it's important to understand that the popularity of the HUS file format has waned over time, largely due to the surge in new embroidery machine brands and the proprietary formats these brands introduce. The challenge posed by the HUS format's incompatibility with other machines and software cannot be overlooked. Sharing designs or using them on different embroidery machines often necessitates converting the HUS files to alternative formats. Although the conversion process is viable, it can be laborious, and there's a risk that some design qualities might not translate perfectly. Moreover, as the embroidery world has evolved, so has the prevalence of file formats that offer broader compatibility. Formats such as DSD-PES and JEF are now commonly used, as they can be interchanged more easily between various embroidery machines and software programs. Nevertheless, the HUS file format has not been forgotten. Many loyal Husqvarna Viking machine owners continue to use the HUS format, valuing the unmatched quality and enduring performance of their machines. These machines are cherished for their reliability and have served their owners well for decades, some for over 20 years. In essence, the dedication to the HUS format is a reflection of the trust and satisfaction users have with Husqvarna Viking's embroidery machines. Quality, craftsmanship, and unrivaled results are hallmarks of the Husqvarna Viking legacy. The HUS format, with its ability to house extensive design data and facilitate advanced embroidery features, may have competitors, but it still holds a special place in the hearts of many embroiderers around the globe. In conclusion, Husqvarna Viking's HUS embroidery format, developed specifically for their high-performance machines, may have faced new file formats in the industry, but remains a significant part of the brand's rich history. For users who value the durability and quality of their Husqvarna Viking embroidery machines, the HUS file format continues to be the key to unlocking incredible embroidery potential. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.